Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm cleaning out my brand new custom built computer. I built this January and I'm giving it its first clean out. If you guys would like to see a video on this computer I just built, leave a comment below and maybe I just might. So for the case I'm using, this is the Fractal Design Mesh 5C. It did have a tempered glass panel, but I took it off, so I want to drop it on the cement. For cleaning, I'm using compressed air. Some people are against this, so they think it's too strong, but it's really not. I have a water separator on the air compressor tank, so there's no water in this at all. I've been using this method for many years and I never ever had a problem. But you can use air in a can, compressed air in a can, whatever you want to call it. You can find them at the dollar store at Staples, or you can use a data vac or even a battery operated leaf blower. Also works pretty well. Let's get in a closer look. Before I begin though, I do want to mention that I'm not removing the back panel because I already took it apart not very long ago and it was still pretty clean on the cable management side. One of the best things I like about this Mesh 5C is how easy it is to clean. Up top you have a little mesh screen here. This is the magnetic filter. Comes off pretty easy. See, it's already coming apart. I'll have to fix that. Now for the bottom, there's a filter for the power supply. You just pull it out. It's actually fairly clean, but I'll give it a quick blow of air anyways. A lot of people left comments saying it's very difficult to remove the front panel, but actually you don't have to remove the front panel. All you have to do is reach your hand underneath. There's a little slot for your hand, and you just push this front panel right out, just like that, and it slides right out. And you can easily give it a quick clean. Now let's clean the rest of the computer. You can hold the fans if you want, but I don't really care. Now it is nice and clean. So now that the computer's clean, I suggest it's time to go clean yours. I recommend doing it every 6 months. You can do it every 3 months if you want. I usually do it every 3 months. Sometimes it's 6 months. Depends. Pretty easy to do, and it'll keep your computer running nice and cool. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Harder than it looks. That don't look right. Might help if I go the right way.